Hi, welcome to my channel. I will teach you how to add TaskPane in your Java application, but first we need to download the library. Here, click the Google Chrome, then type mbnrepository.com. After that, in the search box, let's type swingx, then enter for search, then click here swingx. Then in the version here, let's download this 0.9.1 because it is more compatible in NetBeans. Here, let's download this one, this library, 1.3 MB. Then keep. Okay, then let's proceed to our NetBeans. Then click new Java project, Java application, then TaskPane demo. Okay, then click finish. Then in our library, add jar file. Okay, downloads this one, then open. Then in our TaskPane package, add JFrame. Let's put JFrame TaskPane demo. Then here, this is our JFrame. Then set layout, border layout. Then click this split pane. Then click this panel, put it left button. Then this add panel to right button. Then click the left panel. Then add the width 200. Then this one 200. Then copy. Then paste to the minimum size and maximum size. Then click this right side panel. Then we add here in left side 100. Then here let's minus 100 pixel, so make it 800. Then copy, okay, paste. Then double click the split pane. Then here set layout, border layout. Then in our swing containers, this title, this blue, right click, then add palette manager, then add jar, then go to downloads, then add this one, then next, then click the TaskPane and JXTaskPane container, then next, then click this one to belong to put here in swing containers, then click finish, then close. So okay, then click this TaskPane container, then this TaskPane, then let's put title settings. Then here let's add label here. Then let's add, for example, show, for example, our command here is show dialog. Then right click this dialog, this label, then mouse click, let's put event, mouse click, okay. Then here, okay, this is the event here. Then let's add J dialog, okay. Then message. Then here let's add message here. Welcome to Java swing TaskPane or JXTaskPane. Okay, then let's add button here, okay, close. Then let's add events, action performed, again action perform, then dispose. Let's call the method dispose. Then our container, our dialog, click this one, then right click properties, then code, generate resize code, generate center, then close. Then let's add the command in our here events, mouse click, then j dialog message, then m our object, then new j dialog message this, then this is true, and m that's set visible true. Okay, then here in our main project, let's add this JFrame. Okay, main frame equals new JFrame, then mf that's set visible true. Okay, so let's try to run this program. Okay, so click dialog, so welcome to Java Swing TaskPane. Okay, let's modify this one. Okay, then this swing, this frame, let's generate its center, generate resize code. Okay, so again let's run. Then this is the TaskPane. So nice. Again let's run. This is the TaskPane, then show dialog, this is the dialog, then close. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, just subscribe for the next tutorial. Thank you.